Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum friends. Hope so you all are fine and well-being with the help of Almighty Allah. Today we will know about the 8 most dangerous foods in the world. Any contaminated food could be deadly, but some foods must be prepared just right to prevent illness or death. The first one is fugu. Fugu is the Japanese word for pufferfish, and the dish prepared from it can be lethally poisonous. The ovaries, intestines, and the liver of fugu contains tetrodotoxin, a neurotoxin up to 1200 times more deadly than cyanide. Japanese chefs must undergo years of training to obtain a fugu preparing license. Despite these precautions, numerous people die every year from improperly prepared fugu. Achi Ahi, the national fruit of Jamaica, is a delicious but dangerous treat. Unripe ahi contains poisonous called hypoglycine, so the fruit must be fully ripe and allowed to open naturally on the tree in order to be safely eaten. Improper preparations of ackee fruit can cause serious illness, Jamaican vomiting sickness, which can lead to coma or death. Sanati. Sanati, a Korean dish, is a live baby octopus tentacles that are cut into pieces, seasoned, and served immediately. Suction pads on the tentacles maintain a suction even after the tentacles are served, so diners must chew the tentacles before they stick to the roof of the mouth. If they don't, the tentacles can stick to the mouth and throat and cause customers to choke to death. Next one is cassava. Cassava, a tropical root crop similar to taro and jam, is often used to make pudding, juice, cakes, and chips, but its leaves and roots can produce deadly cyanide. To prevent poisoning, cassava must be properly cooked before canning, eating, or serving. Next one is rhubarb. Rhubarb, the bright vegetable often found in jams and pies, has a dark side. Its leaves, which should not be used in baking or cooking, contain oxalic acid. Here is hackerel. Hackerel, a traditional Icelandic dish, is Greenland shark meat that is cured and hung to dry for between 3 and 5 months. This process is necessary to neutralize the high levels of urea and trimethylamine oxide in the shark's flesh. Intestinal distress, convulsions, and even death can occur if eaten in large enough quantities. Next one is elderberries. Elderberries, which are native to Canada and commonly used in jams, pies, wines, teas, syrups, and supplements, are safe to eat if they are fully ripe and properly cooked. If consumed in large quantities, glycoside may cause seizures, coma, or even death. You would have to drink up to 5 glasses to be in life-threatening danger. But just a cup of improperly prepared elderberry products could cause serious illness. Red kidney beans. Red kidney beans are rich in plant-based protein, fiber, and essential vitamins and minerals in their raw or undercooked form. They are also rich in a toxic variety of lectin. In fact, according to the US Food and Drug Administration, cooking dried red kidney beans for less than 10 minutes at any temperature less than boiling can actually increase the toxicity fivefold. So beans are more toxic than if they were consumed raw. So friends, if you liked the video, comment in the comment box and don't forget to subscribe my channel. Thank you so much. Allah Hafiz.